I got back into mountain biking about a year ago, and it's a blast. It's keeping me in shape, and I'm riding the Cannondale Beast of the East. It's a hardtail. It's got a 3-inch tire, a lefty front fork shock. A lot of fun, but no matter how much I ride and no matter how much I train, I just can't keep up with my son Michael. And we do go on rides, but to be honest with you, it's just not a lot of fun because he's waiting for me at the top of the hill, and when I get to the top of the hill, I want to take a break. So anyway, I've had the opportunity to check out the Moterra 2 Neo. This is one of Cannondale's e-bikes, and I got to tell you, it is just a ton of fun. The motor is a Bosch motor. It's located just a little front and forward of the crank. It's a carbon bike, full suspension. Full suspension is really nice because you can really sit into the ride. It is a pedal assist mountain bike, so it's not going to help you unless you're pedaling. And it does have a top speed of assistance at 19 miles an hour. So after 19 miles an hour, it's not going to assist you anymore. You can go faster than 19 miles an hour, but you won't get any assistance. There are 4 settings for the assistance. You have Eco, which is its lowest setting, Tour, then EMTB for the woods, and Turbo. Just a lot of fun. If you haven't been on a bike in a while or you're thinking about getting back on the bike, check out Cannondale's line of e-mountain bikes. It's great exercise. I know that when I'm out riding, my heartbeat is up, I'm out, I'm getting my exercise, I'm having fun, and that's really what it's all about. I will continue to ride my regular bike. I almost train on that bike to take longer rides on the Moterra 2 because you can really ride a long time with the e-bike and really enjoy it. So when I don't have a lot of time during the week, I'll go out and do a quick 4 or 5 mile loop on the regular bike, and then when I have more time on the weekend, I'll get on the e-bike and really put some miles on it. So check out the link in the description. You can learn all about Cannondale's line of e-bikes. And thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Where Michael gets me killed. Woo! Oh, nice. That's a cool little trail.